Over this weekend, we had a carpet cleaning job for one of my clients. We do this sort of job for this client 4 times a year, so once a quarter, to maintain the carpet's health and to make sure everything looks great. We started off the job by moving off the furniture from the carpet. I only mention that because I've seen a lot of cleaning companies that do these sort of jobs without moving around the furniture. That's never what you should do. All the furniture needs to be removed to make sure the whole carpet is completely evenly cleaned. When it was time to start combining the chemicals with the water, I didn't really have anything to fill up the water, so I used an old gallon of some chemical. But we had chosen OxyClean for this specific job just because the carpet wasn't too dirty, but it had a lot of odor. And OxyClean is the best chemical that you could buy for killing odor in carpets, in sofas, or anything that has fabric. It's the same one that you would be using to wash your clothes, and it works great for carpet cleanings. We did about 1.5 scoops of the OxyClean, and then we mixed it with about 4 gallons of water. This gave us a pretty concentrated solution for the carpets. Depending on how bad the carpet is actually dirty, we will either do a floor scrubbing, a carpet scrubbing like this, or a hot water extraction. The hot water extraction is more for carpets that haven't been cleaned in many years, and this job that I'm doing specifically with this machine is more for a touch-up. That's why we do it so often every quarter. You don't want to be hot water extracting too often because it's not good for the carpet. So this is a more efficient and ethical way to clean for the carpet's health over the long term. After we're done scrubbing the carpet, the final step is to vacuum. The reason why we vacuum at such a low level, because you have a lot of settings in the vacuum that you can adjust. You can make the vacuum rise or lower. When you put the vacuum at the lowest setting, it drags on the carpet. So it's gonna suck up all of that trapped grime and dirt that was in the carpet. So when you use the machine, you scrub all of that out and the vacuum picks it up. When you do a carpet cleaning in this combo manner, it leaves the carpet looking brand new, depending on the severity prior. There's some jobs that there's not much you can do for these carpets, but in this case, it was a success. If you're in the Miami area and are in need of cleaning services, be sure to send us a message through any of our socials or leave a comment here in this video. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to us, and stay safe.